guys, I'm gonna do it. No, hey, you have so much to look for. I'm sorry, but whoa! I resurrected. I resurrected from the dead.